Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see about shared preference and how to use shared preference uh, in our Android app. So in this video that is our main goal, and we'll be seeing the uses of the shared preferences and the slight implementation of it. So this is basically just having a username and password and using the remember me always checkbox, using the checkbox to tell the app to store the contents of username and password once verified, and then going to the next activity, which is after logging in. So after logging in we'll be going right here. What we'll be doing, we'll be having a spinner here to select a background color of for our app. Here we have a save color, which will again save the color for the for based on the user. It will save the color, and when you open the app, it will have this color as the background. Again, if we click logout, it will totally log out, and let's see how the app works, right? So here shared preferences, we have to create something called as shared preferences, get shared preferences, and then we will be saying what is the preference of the thing. The only class we need is just shared preferences class. We have to import like import android.content.shared preferences, and it will import it. We'll be assigning it to a variable, and then the content is basically get shared preferences, and we'll just say the name of your preference and the mode in which we have to use. There are multiple modes, but we are going to use mode private because of security reasons. Other modes are deprecated, so this is why we will be using only mode private. Then whatever the variables we needed, so we will be having a spinner object, we'll be having the buttons and all this layouts, and then we'll be using the material buttons, and based on the color value from the spinner, we are going to set background color and everything. So this is the main activity 2, from where we'll be using the shared preference. If you want to see where we are creating the preference, it's right here. So here also the same thing, get shared preference, my pref, and then mode private. See, uh, after getting it, here we are going to do something called as a checking from reading the data from the shared preference. So here the shared preference is stored in my pref variable. So I am going to it is usually stored in key and value pairs. So I am going to say get string, and the pass the username as which is the key. So default value would be empty. So if it is Sam and the password is 123, I am going to send the user from main activity to main activity 2, and I am going to put extra values as the username also I am going to put it, and I am going to start the intent. If it is not there and there is some error, or if it is empty, I am going to say enter username or password, and if it is checked, this is also only if the checkbox is checked, and I am going to do that. I am going to edit the username and password values, and I am going to apply it. So why am I going to be editing all these things? When the button login button is clicked, I am going to see whether the checkbox is checked. Only when the checkbox is set, like remember me, it is checked, I am going to get the shared preference editor object, and this editor is going to edit our shared preference mypref, where we are going to putting this put the string username and the username which we got, password and password, so that, and we will apply it. And now after doing that, only if the username is actually this value which I have set here, I have hard coded here just for an example, and I'll make a toast, and I'll make a intent, and the user will go there, and that is one way. And then if there is some error in there, I'll say wrong username and password. That's all. So let's see how the app works. Okay, it's building. Let's see. Okay, so you can see the app here. I'm going to say the username as SJM. I'm using a material design, that's why you can see all these colors in here. So the password I have set as 123. Remember me always. Login. It goes in here, and you should have seen the toast there. To select red, save the color. Just get out of there. Open the app again. See, it's logged in, and it is set the background as red. Now I'm logging out. I'm going in again. It is asking for login because here I have set like when I click logout, it deletes the shared preference. Again I have to type my username and password, remember me, and then login. It reads it, and it is already, since it is already in there, it takes that and does that. So that is a small usage of how we can use shared preference. So thanks for watching. So the link for the code is available in the description. So thank you.